Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Just Eat Rider account. So all you need to do is go to Google and type couriers.justeat.co.uk and then enter, and then you press on sign up now here. It will redirect you to this page, and then you need to put your first name and last name as in your ID or in your passport. Then input your email, mobile number, starting address, and the city or town that you are willing to work in, and then create a password and tick this box and then press on create account, and that's it. And then you can just start working with Just Eat. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.